true fact of elation, and its probability is extremely high. It is felt deep within and sanctuary indeed. It is awesome, but when quacks, hurtful. Its melody, much tuneful. Deep within is dangerous, never precious. Wicked, and it's obvious. It arouses phobia to an individual craving for cosmic retaliation. Likely to the genocidal, the sensation is inevitable, but with aspiration capable. A benevolent action cannot adjust its gravity, neither can it last in ecstasy. Startling age comes from nowhere, arousing the worn out hope and the plight looking elsewhere. But it is just an ordinary game. Deep within, the agony hinder, and the zeal majestically approaches in it